Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Back out with the XC18 Mad Drift. Just gonna be a quick run. I got the Hoons on there, want to test that out as well. And I was getting a little stalling with this Mamba X. This the OG one, the original one. So it's a 4S pass. Just want to see if it's still doing it. I know on startup it's doing this, so I'm not gonna use that on the I'm not gonna use that for drag racing. I'm only gonna use this one for speed run, and we'll take it from there. It was kind of a rough day earlier, but now it kind of cleared up. It's nice out now. Ain't too bad. Got somebody in my usual spot, so I gotta start over there. Alright, let's see what she do. Definitely smooth though, I'll give you that. She definitely smooth. That is funny. I got 75, y'all. The same number I just ran on the Limitless. Not right now, but you know what I mean. Anyway, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna calibrate it and hit it again to see what happens. Y'all, we back. I'm gonna go ahead and restart the GPS after the calibration. See if that helped any. That jumping I'm getting, but let me make sure my GPS working. But it only happens on takeoff. And once the car get going, smooth. I ain't gonna lie, these Hoons are smooth. I don't trust them too much, but they smooth. All right, y'all, we coming there. She definitely riding smooth. I ain't gonna hold you. Ah, that's crazy. I got 79 on that pass. After that calibration. Hope y'all see that. Yeah, that wasn't bad. Kind of messed with the ESC, so I know after that you be having to calibrate it. So take it from there. I still want to get one more run in. I'm trying to make sure the fan ain't on or the motor ain't hot. But on 4S it should be good. The fan is on. I'm gonna let it cool down, and I want to get one more run in and call it a day. Yeah, that's the motor I got in there still. So 4S, let me show y'all that. Make sure y'all seeing that. 4S pack, 4 wires with the red one. Got the Mamba Monster in there, OG. This not the Mamba Monster 2. This the OG Mamba Monster. But my pinion came loose, so I can't even run it again. I do like the way the car's running. She is running nice and smooth. And that was just a warm up on 4S, so I'll go ahead and break some numbers hopefully this weekend with this too. And she floating nice and straight. So stay tuned. Right, YouTube. I thought the pinion was loose, so I went home and checked, and it wasn't. So I took that trip all the way home for nothing. So as I said, I did change the battery while I was there. I got 79 on that last run. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one pass in. And then this on 4S. And then we'll know what she's doing tomorrow. So I got water right here, so I'm gonna try to avoid that. We'll see how that works out. Y'all, it's kind of windy too. I gotta restart that. I ain't like that. Came out ugly. It must be some water down there. Might be some water, I don't know. straight. Where's the arrow? I hit 78. That ain't bad. I still think I could beat that. Let me see if the fan is on. Getting a lot of cogging right now. Anyway, we probably gonna wrap it up right here. I probably will get another pass. Just cause that's me. But yeah, stay tuned for some more.